Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you how to scroll up and scroll down using only keyboard in Chrome or Edge web browser for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you two methods how you can do it. So firstly, just open the Chrome or Edge web browser on your respective computer. And say I have opened one website, right? So here I'm not gonna use my computer mouse. So here we're gonna use only a computer keyboard. So for the first method, just use the arrow up and down button to scroll up and down. So if I press the down arrow on my computer keyboard, so you can see here, I can scroll downwards. And now if I press the up arrow key on my computer keyboard, then it will scroll upwards. So this is the first method. So the second method is just press the spacebar key on your computer keyboard. So you can see here. If I keep pressing the spacebar key, it scrolls downwards directions. Now, if I want to scroll upwards, then just press and hold the shift key and keep pressing the spacebar. So you can see here, it scrolls upwards. So by using these two methods, you can easily scroll up and scroll down using only keyboard in Chrome or Edge web browser for computers. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.